I'm here today participating in the conversation about finding solutions to the digital divide at the Baumhart Center for Social Enterprise and Responsibility. Digital equity provides that gateway that allows everyone to participate equitably.
If you don't have digital connectivity, you can't easily get a job, find a place to live, access healthcare, access information and resources, and just be connected with your community.
When I think about families having access to broadband and having a device at home, it can really serve as an equalizer when we think about today's society, and almost everything we do is tech-enabled. We can really make a tremendous impact from this point onward.
I think the solutions we came up with today was mobile hubs for computer access and education, internet in public spaces. I think these solutions will really help the city of Chicago and all of us just come up with more permanent strategies to really bridge the divide.
Today was really powerful because there were a lot of ideas shared and a lot of thought partnership. A big piece of moving forward is going to be to pull in those community-based organizations. We need boots on the ground, so we're all communicating the exact same thing.
I think it's just a great opportunity to engage with other folks, whether if they're in the private sector or community organizations, other people that are involved and interested in bridging the digital divide.
I love the exchange of ideas from different perspectives and how we might really change our city to make sure that all of our residents have access to connectivity.